how much penguins know about football, but you might want to put some money on the Seahawks. 5 penguins at the Cincinnati Zoo were asked to pick the winner, and it was unanimous. The Seahawks are going back-to-back as Super Bowl champs. We decided to do our own little test. This is one of 10 rescued puppies by police officers right here. So this is Handcuffs. How cute is Handcuffs, Rennie?
Handcuffs is beautiful. Mix of shepherd and hound dog.
Yep.
Okay, so this is unscientific, but what we want to do, we want to have Handcuffs decide who's going to win Super Bowl 49. What we have, 2 bowls of food in front of us. The red bowl, that symbolizes the Patriots. The